Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to join Ukrainian army or how can we help Ukrainian army. As you know that there is a war going on in Ukraine. So if you want to join Ukrainian army or you want to help Ukrainian army, so I am going to show you how the whole process by which you can join Ukrainian army, and also you can help them by donating. So first of all, here you will see that in 1 hour ago, Ukrainian calls on foreigners to join international legion and fight Russian invasion. So here in this video I am going to show you how to do this. So as Ukrainian allies in West sent military aid to bolster the country's defense against the possible Russian military escalation. So first of all, what you can do is donating money. So you can donate money to Ukrainian army or Ukrainian country, so that you can help by this. Every dollar makes a difference when there are many people ready to donate, and Ukraine's army know this from experience. In 2014, when Russia invaded Ukraine and Ukrainian military was disorganized and destitute, thousands of Ukrainians donate money, warm clothes, and various hardware such as used car, laptops to regular army and volunteer formation. So you can donate. So where you have to write here Ukraine Red Cross. Ukraine Red Cross to donate, and here you will see this website, devastation in Ukraine, how the Red Cross is helping. So on this website you can help donate and to the Ukraine country. And also, if you want to joining home guard for those who lives in Ukraine wants to involve in bigger labor, there is good news. A foreign can actually stand next to their Ukrainian neighbor and join the emergency Ukrainian territory defense force. So if you want to join, you have to approach a local military recruitment office in Kyiv, and 1 territory defense battalion is active. 130th territorial defense battalion is active. It has all necessary information on its Facebook page, and now it's welcome you content. So like this you can help, you can donate money, and you can also join the Ukrainian army. So if you like this video, please like video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this technology.